Hello everyone, let's just start a reading training with me. How was your homework? Was it easy or difficult? And let's check the correct answer now. However, you have to save this one stone, otherwise white can take two eyes. So now we can start to read from maybe this one first. Yeah, I don't think you have to read here. You can just think simply, white can just capture these two stones. So let's just start from here first. This is the good move how you can save this one stone. Now if white just want to cut these two stones, something like this, then you can just cut here. And white can't play here, like this. And we can just check it out this first. And if black just cut here, what does white have to do? White can just connect, you can capture, and then white can make two eyes. You could capture, but white get two eyes, so now it doesn't work. Even white has a better move. Then if you are curious, then you can read as well. White has another answer. White can just connect. In order to save, you must play here, but still white can connect. When you save, I can make two eyes. This is the best result for white. So anyway, it doesn't work. So what's black's next feeling? Now you can think about this way first. If white cut, the snapback is working. Even though white just connect, you can invade. This capturing is nothing. We can just recapture back. So now, what's matter? What's wrong with the white? What's wrong with the white just now? Now white shouldn't cut here. White just has to save this one stone first. If you invade, then white can cut this one stone. So black must connect. Then after we save these two stones, then white can make two eyes. That's why it doesn't work. So saving this one stone is easy, but you have to prepare one more thing. You have to make this become fake eye first. Black can put here one time. And then make him to capture, and you can return here. White must save, and then we can go back to our friend here and here. Then what about other? Can white save like this? Can white save? We can just Atari. Connect doesn't work. So white must capture, and then we can make double Atari here and capture. So now this is okay for black. What about other way? This one, capture. After this, white cannot get in here anymore. Even the white exchange, then this is not working. Last one, white must block here. Then please do not capture this one stone. That's nothing. We can just make maybe seki, close to be seki. But this, this is like I can say the seki ko. If white win this ko, white can make many territory. Even the white lost this ko, still is seki. So which means nothing. So since white plays here, we just need to cut here. And still this is gonna be snapback. Yeah, black can capture 3 stones. So main point is we have to feed here one time and make him to capture, and we have to see third move. Yeah, it looks like quite simple, but actually there are many variations. Okay, then let's start from first question. Today's topic is, it looks easy, but not that easy. That's today's concept. So I made a hard question today. Now black already has one eye here, so you have to make one more eye. And basically our first feeling get to be A or B. We can follow first. If we just play A, then white can save. After this, we can't make any eyes. Even though cut is nothing. Yeah. What about then B? Yeah, this way you can read more, just like here. You can try to make all the variation if you are curious. And B, white can save, and you have to make all the sente. But after this, we can't make any more eye. Now is not possible. So now those two ways are not working. Then what can you do? Yeah, this is kind of a tesuji. So okay, just I'm gonna tell you. right now. Still, if you couldn't find it, then please solve it first before you watch my correct answer. Now you must bother this white first. If white is going out, then now you can Atari one more time, and then you can capture. Okay. What about just white to capture? White has two ways to take care. Then now your one more time Atari is making, this is gonna be Sente, and then you can capture this one stone. If white ignore, then you can capture as well. Here and this one, you can take this eye. Then of course, with the third move, then you can even play here. Because white can't go back to his friend, now you can beat these 3 stones first, just like this. And if white capture, and this one, this is also working. So when we see this move, then it seems very easy. But before, we don't have this stone, and it was not really easy to think about this idea. Yeah, so now this life and death question is close to be Tetsuji question as well. Yeah. Okay, next question. Oh, sorry. Yes, this one is right. Now black has to get 2 eyes. You may ask me, oh teacher, this is so easy. How come you made it this 1 second questions? Yeah, I normally if I make that question, then all the students just put the stone here first. Because this is our first feeling. Yeah, we can follow up this way first. White has to capture when we Atari. White cannot give up these 2 stones, and then black can Atari. But the point is, I can bother here. Even though black can capture, then white can invade. This is dead shape now. Capture and step back. In the future, if white just plays, this is not Seki. Now this is dead shape. So now this is my first feeling as well, but it didn't work. However, you have to capture these 2 stones. That's true. Yeah. So now if you were thinking about, then we have to step back, we have to think again. Such kind of move is not possible to capture these 2 stones. So there is a Tetsuji that you have to see is Kusumi. And then make him to answer, and you can feed 1 stone. After white capture, and then when you Atari, different thing is white can't save here. Now we can capture much more stone. Even though white invade, and this is also available, it's not possible. Yeah, even black can do something else. Yes. So now, which means when we Atari, white has to capture, but you can get 2 eyes. Then what about white to just sacrifice differently? Okay, I want to give him 6 stones, like just now. But the different thing is, when you are doing like this, now since I capture, I am Sente. So now I can just make 1 more eye here. Yeah, it's a bit different, right? So now it doesn't work. So even this one, connect, is similar. You can cut first. When he get in here, you can capture first and make 1 more eye. When he just ignore, then now we can Atari here. So this is not dead shape, it's alive. Even the white invade, we can make 1 more eye. How was it? Yeah. Normally when I make this question, then we get to think about this first. Yeah. Because I want to make you to have a training. Every people has a first feeling. But main point is, after we think about the first feeling, we have to mix up with reading. So this kind of a question is good to practice for that kind of a situation. Okay, now third questions. This one. Okay, now this is a capturing race questions. Then we can start to surround from outside. When you surround, if white is surrounding together, now I'm not gonna play here. White is faster. Then we can see that white can, black can just feed 1 stone to white, like this. Yeah. Then white is gonna be captured. So what does white have to do? Since you see this move, then you realize that you just need to connect. And now your liberty is faster than black. Yeah, something like this. Even though we press, white can just capture. Okay, after you check it, then now your first feeling, yeah, should be here. And this is a good move, yeah. And if white capture, and then you can try to surround. If white just surround that, then it doesn't work. But still, you know, we have to study more. What about white just try to get one more eye? Can you accept or not? What do you think about it? If you accept, then white can get one more eye. Then even though you want to surround, white is faster. You know, this is just gonna be captured. Black doesn't have a one eye. So if black wants to have a capturing race, we have to feed one stone to white. But the point is, we can't get in here. If you get in, still I am faster for one liberty. Something like this. So now black can think about just trade here, but still white is faster. So what's wrong with black? Black's mistake was just blocking here. Black has to beat these two stones first. And then when white connect, we cannot tarry, and then we have to block. Yeah. Okay, then maybe somebody may have one more question. Okay, I understand, that's the correct. But what about I just play Kosumi first? If white just connect, I can connect. If white just trade here, at that time I wanna put it here. You know, however, surrounding from outside is not working. And then I wanna play here. But this is a bit different. Because when white capture here, and black Atari, and then now your one stone is getting hurt. I am faster, even though you just surround here. I wanna capture, and this time white is faster for one liberty, like this. Yeah, which means since we follow the correct answer, 1, 2, 3, even white has one more answer to just place trade here, and then you have to surround. This time, if you play here, it doesn't work. Same as just now. And of course, we can't press from inside as well. So necessary part is we should know Tetsuji. We must attach here. If he surround, we are faster. If he wants to take this one stone, make sure you shouldn't just block outside. White is winning. Became. So what black has to do is Atari. When he answer and then Atari. Yeah. Capturing race is like there are not many first feeling, but after that there are a lot of variations. Yeah. So now this question key point is 7 as well. Yeah. At the first move you have to put it into the white tiger's mouth. Okay, and then last question. And this is also, it looks like very easy, but I can't say it's very easy. So you can enjoy to study this question, and I will tell you correct answer tomorrow. Okay, did you enjoy to study today with me? Then please like and subscribe for my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell as well. Then when I put up the video, then you can see my video directory. Okay, then see you guys tomorrow. Make sure now practice more will make your reading perfect. Yeah, so now we have to keep studying regularly with me. Okay, thank you very much everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye.